Hey everyone. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe for more sports videos like this. Let's take a look at the richest athletes in 22.5, from lowest to highest. John Cena, wrestling and acting. George Foreman, boxing and business. Fran Tarkenton, American football and business. Dale Earnhardt Jr., NASCAR driver. Alex Rodriguez, baseball and investments. Jack Nicklaus, golf legend. Greg Norman, golf and business empire. Floyd Mayweather, boxing and promotions. Namor Jr., football superstar. Lewis Hamilton, Formula One champion. David Beckham, football and brand deals. Vinnie Johnson, basketball and business. Shaquille O'Neal, basketball and endorsements. Roger Staubach, American football and real estate. Michael Schumacher, Formula One legend. Eddie Jordan, motorsport and team ownership. Roger Federer, tennis and sponsorships. Tiger Woods, golf and business ventures. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, wrestling and acting. Magic Johnson, basketball and investments. LeBron James, basketball and business. Lionel Messi, football and brand deals. Cristiano Ronaldo, football and sponsorships. Anna Kospsak, equestrian and family business. Junior Bridgman, basketball and fast food franchises. Ion Tiriac, tennis and banking. And finally, Michael Jordan, basketball and Jordan brand. Thanks for watching. Which of these athletes surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more.